Greetings from Midas Detectors, a company under Midas brand. Myra Long Range Locator device is sold into package options, standard package, and a Pro package option. What you see here is the Pro package. In the Pro package, we have Myra L main control unit. It has its original sticker and serial number indicating it was checked and it is original. Here is the charger, cable and adapter. Electrostatic wristband cable on parts. Myra search antenna holder and to search antenna. Only included in Pro package, baton. It will be in your bag's separate compartment and in 3 pieces. There is also a user manual included. Baton won't be in a standard package, only in Pro package. If you buy a standard package and later want a lightning grounding mode, you can order a baton separately. Your baton will arrive in its own bag, unassembled, and in 3 pieces. You can check its Midas sticker on the baton you ordered. Myra Long Range Locator was developed process. Had the sole purpose of building the best prospecting device in terms of quality and performance. With Myra L device, you can detect valuable targets like gold, silver, copper, bronze, precious stones, and other targets like iron. Water easily with microchip supported signal emitter to produce signals with necessary frequency. Myra L supports English, Spanish, French, Turkish, Persian and Arabic 6 farklı, so a total of 6 languages. In ideal case, it is possible to prospect up to 2,000 meters. Long range locators can't give exact depth of the target. Myra L search antenna assembled as you see. Next is to assemble the baton for a lightning grounding mode. When your device arrives, it will arrive as neatly packaged with shrink wrap. As you can see, baton is composed of 3 parts. Let's put them together. We assembled the baton, just like this. If you want, you can attach this handle later the baton as well. With this, we assembled Myra Long Range Locators antennas and long range locators. Now, here is our ESD wristband. It is pretty straightforward. We plug the wristband to the Myra Long Range Locator. Lightning grounding mode wristband stays on the wrist just like that. For lightning grounding mode, baton requires the special cable which sent with its package to connect to main unit. After sticking the baton 3 to 5 centimeters ground, hold the baton and wear the ESD. Now we can start prospecting. Hold the search antenna and choose an area to prospect to give more details about warranty conditions. Myra Long has 2 years of warranty. You can get assistance and technical support from Midas, covered by the warranty under conditions. Myra Long device is developed after years of research and development process, funded by Midas Detectors. We are proud to present you the most advanced long-range locator device, most user-friendly and most advanced device with 4 patented technologies. Myra Long device's unique design incorporates these patented technologies and offers unique target finding potential. If you want to purchase an advanced device like this, you can reach out to us from the numbers in description. To stay up to date with new models and products, make sure to check our site www.midasdetectors.com. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care.